In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Wix for better layout control. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor so you can work directly on the page where your elements are placed. Grouping is especially useful when you have multiple items that belong together visually, like a heading, an image, and a button, and you want to move or resize them as one unit instead of adjusting each piece separately. Once you are in the editor, go to your canvas and select the elements you want to group. To do that, hold down the Shift key, or Command on Mac, and click each item one by one. As you select them, make sure all the elements you want included are highlighted. Taking a moment here to confirm your selection can save time, especially if your layout has several overlapping items. After all the items are selected, create the group. You can do this by clicking the Group Elements button in the floating action bar. If you prefer, you can also right-click and choose Group or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and G. Any of these methods will combine the selected elements into a single grouped object, which makes organizing your page much easier. Now that the elements are grouped, you can click and drag the group's bounding box to move everything together. This is one of the biggest advantages of grouping, because it helps keep spacing and alignment consistent while you reposition content on the page. You can also resize the group using the handles on the bounding box. If you drag a corner handle, the entire group resizes proportionally, which helps preserve the overall look of your design. If you use the side handles instead, you can stretch the group horizontally or vertically depending on the layout you are trying to create. This gives you a bit more flexibility when fine-tuning the design. If you need to edit something inside the group, you don't have to ungroup it. Just click the group, then click directly on the specific item you want to change. From there, you can update text, swap an image, or change colors without affecting the group structure. This makes it easy to keep your layout organized while still making individual adjustments. And if you ever need to separate the items again, simply select the group and click the Ungroup button in the floating toolbar. You can also right-click and choose Ungroup. That will return each element to its own individual layer, so you can move or edit them independently. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.